Alright guys, we back in Irvine. Today we're going to All That BBQ, a Korean barbecue restaurant for lunch. You always gotta go for lunch for cheap prices. I'm gonna give you guys a little food review. Let's do it.
You didn't order anything yet? What do you mean? You taste it that way.
We got the brisket, the OG meat coming first. And what else we got? What is this? Right here. We got some pork belly right here. Pork belly looks nice and thick. I've actually never seen a pork belly this thick. Some more brisket, round 2. Let's do this. Damn, you hear that sizzle? Need help cooking?
No.
So here we got the corn cheese. They don't have it at a lot of Korean barbecue restaurants. As the name implies, is corn and cheese. Got the tofu soups. Let's see. This is usually a hit or miss at a lot of Korean barbecue places right here. I'm about to try this pork belly. Usually if they could do pork belly right, they got my vote. Let's see. Look at this. Steaming. Dip it a little bit of salt.
Regular also with some dinner fries. Yeah, you just want spicy.
So you're about to try the brisket. It's like the bread and butter of Korean barbecue. You always gotta get brisket. Good brisket means good Korean barbecue. See it, look at this. I'll wait till it cools down. Some people like their brisket crispy. I like mine rare. Salt. I like my meat really salty. Really fresh. Nicely marbleized, tender. It's fire. Spicy octopus. This is the beef tongue right here, as the Spanish like to call lengua. Alright guys, about to cook the beef tongue. I'm gonna give Charlie a little break. He's been putting in that work. Look at this. This looks like pepperoni slices right now, doesn't it?
Don't cook all of it. That's good.
All of it?
That's good.
Alright, let's taste the beef tongue, lengua.
Like a college grill.
There's a nice and chewy texture. It's all about the freshness when it comes to tongue. This one's pretty fresh. Not the best I've had, but pretty fresh. Pork or beef ribs? Ribs. Alright. I'm gonna try the short rib. It's the boneless short rib. Really fatty. It's marinated. It tastes like steak. It's pretty good. Juicy too. Beef belly and fattier version of the brisket. It tastes like brisket, but it's like a bit juicy and fattier. Let's see if it's good here. One of my favorite meats too. You guys want to get another rib? That was really good.
Well, yeah, I don't want
So these boneless ribs are a sleeper, guys. I usually don't like boneless ribs, but these ones are fire. This beef belly is good, but I'd have to give it a B- rating. You know, the beef belly is supposed to be fatty, but this one's a tad bit too fatty for my taste. As you guys can tell, the video is a little bit different today. Sorry I didn't get to do that long form content you guys were used to, you know, eating and all that. Yeah, so some few finishing thoughts about this place. It was pretty good actually. It was about $18 for lunch, which is not bad. All the meat was pretty good. My favorite was definitely the ribs and the brisket. The beef belly, oh, I like the pork belly too. The beef belly and the beef tongue could use some work here. But yeah, overall, it's pretty good. The service is lacking just a bit, but I mean, I've actually had some history with this place too, with their, you know, lack of service. But other than that, it was actually pretty good. So yeah, City of Asians, Irvine. So comment down below where you want us to eat next. Like this video and subscribe for more food reviews and vlogs.